It's so easy to shorten your fray or stronger sewn edge bind, and I'm going to walk you through how to do this. You'll need a couple materials. First off, you're going to need your bind. You'll also need a sharp pair of scissors, and if you are shortening a sewn edge, you're going to need a product to seal the stitching of that edge. This can be done with something called fray check, liquid stitch, or just go grab a nail polish, because that'll also work. So first I'm going to show you how to do a fray style. This is so easy. Here I have the end of my fabric, and remember, taking fabric off is much easier than putting it on. So start with small increments. So I say maybe 6 inches to a foot at a time. Find an edge, take your scissors, just give it a little cut. Now with a weave of a fabric, it's going to naturally tear on a straight edge of a thread. So tearing it is just as good as actually cutting. So you're going to see that it's going to pull those threads. This is normal to have it bunch like that. Okay, just break the thread, and then you'll go back through and you can go ahead and fray out that edge, and you want to remove any loose threads. Okay, so that's it for a fray. For a sewn, here I have a sewn edge. Okay, you can see that there. This is a little bit more tricky. Take your scissors and cut into the fabric past the stitching, just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit past the stitching. And now securely holding between each hand, I'm gonna slowly again tear, because that will give me a straight line. So I'm doing little sections, and I'm gonna tear down to that other edge. I'm then gonna cut that with my scissors. Any loose threads on that open fray, pull them off, and then go ahead and grab your nail polish, liquid stitch. This is fray check, and you just put a little bit on the end of that sewn edge, little there, other side, little there. I like to let that dry, 30 seconds. Send up your intention for the day, and then flip it over and a little bit on the other two sides. This is going to keep it from unraveling in the wash on you. Thanks so much. As always, wrap with love.